Hello, thank you for watching Montessori lesson channel. In today's video, I will be talking about the practical life activity that does not require any Montessori materials. The activity that I will introduce is the pouring beans activity for ages 2.5 to 5 years old. This activity can be done with multiple variations such as changing the item used for pouring or the item being poured to water as the child starts to show progress. The purpose of this activity is to develop the movement in pouring, to carefully pour from pitcher to cup without spilling, and to teach independence to the child. The control of errors if the child spills the beans on the table. The things required for the activity are tablecloth that can be easily wiped clean, tray, small glass, and a cream pitcher or a 1-cup plastic measuring cup filled with beans halfway. The activity instructions are: first, point to random things used for the activity that is on the tray and say its name, such as this is a glass, this is a pitcher. After setting the things used for the activity on the table, hold the pitcher with the middle ring and thumb. Hold the glass with the other hand. Pour the pitcher rice with the pitcher lip part facing the rim of the glass center. Then pour from the pitcher to the glass and then the opposite. Repeat the activity until the child can pour without spilling the beans. This ends my video for today. Please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you for watching.